Improved seeds released by Research Institute boosting production. The Ethiopian Institute of Agricultural Research announced that it has released improved seeds to drive significant boosts in crop yield. Negasi Dichasa, Director General of EIAR, has emphasized that the Institute's crucial role in enhancing agricultural productivity through the development and release of improved hybrid seeds. Negasi emphasized that the EIR conducts research on key crops including maize, wheat, barley, potato, and coffee to develop high-quality, high-yield varieties. He cited maize production as a striking example, noting
አሁን ለምሳሌ እየተመረቱ ያሉ ስንዴ ዝርያዎች በሙሉ በዚህ ምርምር ይወጡ ናቸው በሙሉ ስለዚህ አሁንም ደግሞ ምርምር ሁሉ ጊዜ መቆም የለበትም ዝርያዎች ይወጣሉ ከ10 አመት ከ5 አመት ከ6 አመት በኋላ ያረጃሉ መተካት አለባቸው ስለዚህ ይሄ ምርምር ስራ ሁሉም የሚሄደው እየተካ
He cited maize production as a striking example, noting that yields have risen from 45 quintals per hectare to between 80 and 90 quintals when farmers cultivate the EIAR's improved hybrid varieties. Similarly, the wheat seeds currently used nationwide were developed by the Institute. With 10 improved varieties, average wheat production has increased to 36 quintals per hectare, peaking at 80 quintals, up from 14-15 quintals 20 years ago. The Institute has also released 12 hybrid barley varieties, meeting
ድሮ ብቅል ገብስ ከውጪ ነበር የሚመጣው አሁን ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ የብቅል ገብስ ዝርያ አውጥተን ወደ 12 ዝርያዎች አሉ እነዚህ ዝርያዎች ለብቅል የሚሆኑ ናቸው ስለዚህ አሁን ብዙ የብቅል ፋብሪካዎች የኛን ገብስ ይጠቀማሉ በቅርብ ጊዜ ብቻ
domestic demand for malt and reducing reliance on imports. In the potato sector, some 45 new seed varieties have been introduced, nearly doubling average yields from 120 quintals to 230 quintals per hectare. Prof. Negasi stressed that potatoes, like other staple crops, are vital for Ethiopia's food sovereignty.